This Century 21 United property video is presented by Tracy Thomas. Don't miss out on this amazing 3-bedroom 2-bath home in Western Trace Subdivision in Keithville. Home sits on 0.800 of an acre on the end of a cul-de-sac. Open floor plan with wood-burning fireplace in living room. Large separate dining room. Beautiful tile floors that look like wood, carpet in bedrooms. Large island in kitchen with lots of cabinets and storage space. Fully fenced backyard with double gate with room for a shop in the back. Call today for your private showing. For more information, review the details below.